Hello dear colleagues, wish you very good day and again warm welcome to this online training program on educational video creation, that is e-content development. In last tutorial, we are learn about the need of educational videos, how to shoot educational videos, the requirement, that is equipments, hard equipments as well as softwares required to enhance the video quality so as the video may be more impressive, more explanatory, as well as it can take more retention time of the learners. In this video, we are going to discuss another software which is required to improvement of the voice or improvement of the sound quality. How to improve the sound quality? We are going to know about some free softwares which can edit audio facility are there. These facility are going to cover in this tutorial. Now we discuss about how to improve our voice quality or sound quality by using a free software. There are many softwares, but we are going to discuss one, that is the Audacity and Ocean Audio. Now we discuss the Audacity. Audacity is a free and open source, easy to use multi-track digital audio editor as well as audio recorder. It is available for Windows as well as other operating systems. By using a professional microphone, we can record professional quality sound by regular PC or laptops by using this app. In Audacity, we can apply special sound effects to record the sounds. That is noise reduction we can do, equalizer or bass treble control, echo, reverb, delay, change, speed, tempo, or many other features are available in the Audacity. Audacity is a free software which is used to improve the audio qualities, sound qualities. Now we will see first how to download Audacity. First go to the Google Chrome, type Audacity, type Audacity download. You get audacityteam.org website. From here we can download. There one is the security features we have to complete. The site will come like that. The audacityteam.org download. Here Audacity is a free software developed by the volunteers and available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux or GNU operating systems. From here we have to download and install our PC or our laptop. This is mostly for the 64. All new laptops or PC are 64-byte operating PCs. So we have to download mostly 64-byte Audacity, compatible Audacity. From here we have to download. As we are already downloaded, we will see how we can edit our recorded video. We will see how to edit our audio of recorded videos. This one is Audacity symbol. From here we can get Audacity. These are the Audacity three-phase. Here is a stop or pause button is there. Here is a pause button is there. Play button is there. Stop button is there. Then this one the backward, forward, and here is the recording button over there. From here we can record also our sound. This is sound going now recording also. We can stop here. The sound gets stopped here. From this we have to record, or we can edit our sounds. We can use effects to this. So many effects are available here in effect tab. noise reduction, normalize, or mostly we are going to do here. Compressor effect is there, like that the effects are available. This we can select all. Just see how is the recorded sound.
Record also our sound. This is sound going now. Recording also.
Thus we can record our sound. We can edit our sound. We will see how the effect will be applied. That we can first we will apply normalize effect to the. We can select Control A. Okay, Control A. Then apply normalize effects. It will get applied to normalize. Then we have to apply noise reduction effects. We can first we have to select noise. Okay, get noise profile. We have to noise reduction, get noise profile, select all. Then apply to all. These are noise reduction we can apply. Try for 1 or 2 times and see how the quality of the audio gets.
Record also our sound. This is sound going now. Recording also. We can stop there.
Just select Control A and delete it. Now we will see how to edit audio of our recorded video. First we have to confirm the audio of the recorded video may be in the form of MP3 format or WAV format, otherwise it will be not open in the Audacity. We have to, for importing format, we have to open the files. This file we can open, Audacity trial file we can open. We have to just click here, the file will be came here. Otherwise we have to go there and we have to drag and open this file. Drag and we can keep this file in a Audacity. The file will be came in the Audacity. Now we will see how the audio quality of this raw file. We will first see.
आता आपण मोबाईलवरती स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डिंग कसं करायचं याची माहिती घेऊया. त्यातल्या त्यात एजेड स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर वापरून व्हिडिओ निर्मिती कशी करता येईल याची माहिती घेऊया. एजेड स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर
These are the quality we already see. We will apply the effect to this raw file. Go to the effect, then go to the amplify effect. We can increase amplify. We can select all file. Control A we can use for that. After selecting, go for the effect, then go for amplifying effect. There it will be asked the 10.4 dB. Please OK. The effect will be amplify effect will be applied to this file. Just to
आता आपण मोबाईलवरती स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डिंग कसं करायचं याची माहिती घेऊया.
the voice quality of the amplified in this audio. Then we have to remove the background sound of the audio. First we have to select this noise and go to the effect, then go to the noise reduction, get noise profile. We have to select this background noise and then we have to select all audio file by controlling A, or we can drag and select all the files. Then go to the effects, then go to the noise reduction effects, then apply to this file. The noise reduction effect will be applied to this. Now we will see how the quality is.
आता आपण मोबाईलवरती स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डिंग कसं करायचं याची माहिती घेऊया. त्यातल्या त्यात एजेड स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर वापरून व्हिडिओ निर्मिती कशी करता येईल याची माहिती घेऊया. एजेड स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर हे मोबाईलसाठी कॉम्पिटेंट असून ते फ्री सॉफ्टवेअर आहे.
Thus we applied amplifying effect, noise removal effect. We can remove the background effect. There are so many effects are available here. Compressor effect is there, echo effect is there. We can select and apply echo effect. Also we can apply echo effect. This effect will be applied to this. Just see.
आता आपण मोबाईलवरती स्क्रीन रेकॉर्ड कसं करायचं त्यात एजेड स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर वापरून कसं.
Thus we can apply echo effect, whatever may be. There is a undo button is there. We can remove this effect. There is a redo button is there. This zoom in and zoom out button is there to amplify. We can see there are also so many effects. Bass effect is there. Change pitch effect is there also. We can see. We can change effect. We can do. We can see now the effect will be applied to this.
आता आपण मोबाईलवरती स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डिंग कसं करायचं याची माहिती घेऊया. त्यात एजेड स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर वापरून व्हिडिओ निर्मिती कशी करायची.
We can change echo also. We can change. Fade in is there. Graphic is there. Repair is there. Reverse also is there. Delay. So many effects here we can use. We can change speed also. We can change the speed also here. Now the first most important thing is the MP3 format or WAV format, WAV format file only opening in the Audacity. That's why we have to convert first our mobile recorded file into MP3 format or WAV format. Then we have to open and apply to the effect to the in the Audacity. Now we will see how to import these file, corrected file, noise reduction file, amplified file, and we can save. Just go to the file, then save as export. It will ask as a MP3 format or WAV format. We can go for both format. You can go for MP3 format. It is mostly applicable for all editing softwares. We can use other editing software also. That is a WAV format also. It is also mostly used in all other software also. You can go for both. We will apply for in MP3 format. The file size will be less, and in WAV format the file size will be greater. So depending upon you, we have to export. We will going to export this file in MP4 format. It will ask a pop-up window will become, and it will ask where to save. We will save this in the MP4 format in Audacity after trial version as a final video, and we have to save that file. It will ask the artist name. We can edit and change also. We can save this file. Okay. The file is going to save in MP4 format and that selected folder. The file is saved in MP3 format, and this is the quality of the file we can see.
आता आपण मोबाईलवरती स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डिंग कसं करायचं याची माहिती घेऊया. त्यात एजेड स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर वापरून व्हिडिओ निर्मिती कशी करता येईल याची माहिती घेऊया. एजेड स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर हे मोबाईलसाठी कॉम्प्युटर असून फ्री सॉफ्टवेअर आहे. हे स्टेबल आणि हाय क्वालिटी स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर आहे. स्मूथ आणि क्लिअर स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर आहे.
Thus the file we can export in a MP3 format by using this Audacity. We can remove the background sound, we can amplify the effect, we can apply other effects also such as fizz, tempo, bass effect. We can apply to the selected file, but we have to export this file in a MP3 format or WAV format, and mostly these two formats are applicable for mostly working in other editing softwares also.
Second one is Ocean Audio. Ocean Audio is a cross-platform, easy to use, fast and functional audio editor as well as audio recorder. Ideal software for editing and analyzing audio files without complications. These facilities are available in Ocean Audio. Also has a powerful features for more advanced users. Also offers the powerful features, another powerful features for more advanced users. Ocean Audio is available for Windows operating system as well as other operating systems. In Ocean Audio, we can apply special sounds effect to record the sounds, that is noise reduction, equalizer, and so more. We will see how to download Ocean Audio, how to edit the audio in Ocean Audio, and also how to capture the audio in Ocean Audio. Let's go to the Google. Just type Ocean Audio. It will direct to Ocean Audio site. This is oceanaudio.com. These are the easy, fast and powerful audio editor. Just about Ocean Audio. Ocean Audio is a cross-platform, easy to use, fast and functional audio editor which is applicable for major operating system including Windows. Now we will move toward the download tab. Here are the download tab, and these are the download versions are available to download. Depending upon your system, you have to download and install the Ocean Audio. Now I am already installed Ocean Audio. This is Ocean Audio icon. I am just clicking Ocean Audio. This preface will become the Ocean Audio preface like this. Here are the files, edit, view, control, effect, generate, analyze, and help tab is there. This one is to start, capture audio is there, play button is there, top is there, then forward and backwards are there. In this we can drop the files which we have to going to edit. First we will see how we will capture the voice. Now when we click on capture, the pop-up window will come. It will ask to you in what format we will going to capture the voice. I am going to capture the voice in stereo and 64 bytes. Okay. Now sound is going to capture. Hello friends, wish you a very good day, and again warm welcome to online training program on educational video development. Then just stop. This is the zoom. We have to zoom in or zoom out. We can do. Then you have to play.
See the voice quality. Hello friends, wish you a very good day, and again warm welcome.
Now I want to delete this previous sound. Then click, then select it, then click right button of mouse. It will ask to cut, copy or paste or trim like that. I want to cut. We will cut. Now I want to add effect to this. Go to the effect, then go to normalize. The sound will be get normalized. After normalize, the sound will be like that.
Friends, wish you a very good day, and again warm welcome to online training program. Friends, wish you.
Then we have to go another noise reduction effect. Go to the noise reduction tab. There is two options: noise reduction manually or noise reduction automatically. I am going to noise reduction automatically. It will apply to our side. Just see.
A very good day, and again warm welcome to online training program.
Voice quality is normalized. Background sound is reduced. Then we can go for another effects also. There are the silence effect, reverse effect, invert effect. Then amplitude is there, filters are there, and delay is there, time and pitch is there. We can go time and pitch. If you want to lower down or increase the pitch, just go and apply strength of speech. Just see.
Friends, wish you a very good day, and again warm welcome to online training program on educational video.
Thus, we have to normalize. Pitch can change. Otherwise, we can noise reduction we can do in the Ocean Audio with our capture sound. Now we will discuss about the how to edit sound of the our capture video, already captured video, that is raw video. Go to the file. This is I am going to here, that is Ocean Audio. I am clicking this file. This after double clicking, this file will become in media bin of Ocean Audio. It will take time. Is coming in a media bin. File is came. Now I want to edit this file. First I want to cut this file. Please select, then cut it, then play.
How to shoot educational videos, the requirement.
In raw file there is a background sound is there. Also it is not normalized. We will going to apply this effect to the raw file. Go to the effect, then apply normalize. Again you go to the noise reduction. Automatically it will apply to the our raw file. You are go for another effects also and just see the voice quality, how it is the voice quality.
So as the video may be more impressive, more explanatory.
In Ocean Audio we can increase our voice, we can add silence, we can add noise, there are tunes, or we can add some other effects such as reverse effects, invert effect, smooth effect, amplitude effect. There are so many filters. We can overlay our sound with another music or background music, like that we can do here. Now after editing we have to export this file. Go to the file, then click on the export. The pop-up window will come. It will ask in which format you want to export. I am going to export 4 format, and it will ask path. Just click on the path, select Ocean Audio folder. It will ask and your file name, then save, then OK. Thus the file is saved in that folder. Thus we see how the Ocean Audio is useful for to enhance the audio quality or voice quality.
As to improve the sound quality or voice quality, we have to go for the Ocean Audio or Audacity, that is the free softwares which are available to download to improve the voice quality. Thank you.